Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a nightclub slow dance clip showing you how to do a move called hip hits. Now, I've heard this called a number of other names by different people, but this is what the guys who taught me called it. And we're going to do it between two basics. So showing you, it looks like this. It goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break it down. The basic, obviously, you already need to know. All we've got to do, I'll show you actually from a guy's perspective, is literally step side on 1, touch and push the hips up to the right 2, step side on 3, touch with the left and push the hips up to the left 4. And then it's back to basic, forward, rotate. When the guys go left, the ladies are going right, and vice versa. So let's break that down with a partner. If we start off in hold, we'll do one basic, forward, rotate, side, side. So now we're just going to go side again, 1. We're going to touch in and take the hips up to the guy's right, 2. Step side, 3. Touch in, bring the hips up to the guy's left, 4. And then back to basic, forward, rotate, side, side. So let's see if we can do it. Here we go. To numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, rotate, side, 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 hips, forward, rotate, side, side. Now the people who taught me would always do 2 sets. So they'd always go step, hip, step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. There is no reason why you have to do that, but it does feel nice. So it's a good thing to try out. Hope you've enjoyed this. We'll be back next time with another move for nightclub slow dance. And as always, like, subscribe and hit the bell. You know every time a new video comes out. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some nightclub slow dance. There is a link to some music that is good to dance nightclub slow dance too. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You're helping us to make more clips. Keep dancing, everybody.